In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate creative ideas. By the end, you'll know how to brainstorm without limits, write prompts that get better results, expand raw concepts into strong plans, and turn those ideas into action. First, let's brainstorm without limits. Think of ChatGPT as a rapid idea generator for projects, businesses, content, or products. When you feel stuck, ask it to produce a large batch of suggestions and explore multiple angles on the same topic. You can even tell it to consider perspectives like a marketer, a designer, or a customer to widen the range. This helps you overcome creative blocks by surfacing options you might not have considered. For example, you can say, generate 20 unique business ideas related to sustainable technology. In seconds, you'll get a list that jumpstarts your thinking. If something sparks your interest, ask for more variations or request alternatives with a different tone or audience in mind. Next, use specific and detailed prompts. Clear context leads to better output, so mention your goals, your target audience, and any constraints that matter. Ask for ideas within a particular niche or industry, and request different styles, themes, or approaches so you can compare directions side by side. Treat it like a conversation. Refine the results with follow-up questions, clarify anything that's off target, and provide examples of what you like. A solid prompt might be, give me 15 YouTube video ideas for a channel focused on personal finance for beginners. If you get ideas that are too broad, follow up with details like timeframe, tone, or platform. Now let's expand and improve ideas. Don't stop at the first list. Ask ChatGPT to turn a basic concept into a more detailed plan. Have it generate names, features, and marketing angles, and explore advantages, challenges, and opportunities so you can anticipate what it will take to execute. You can also combine multiple ideas into something unique. Take these 3 business ideas and combine them into one innovative startup concept. Then ask for a short pitch, target customers, and a simple validation plan. Finally, turn ideas into action. Request step-by-step plans for implementation, content outlines, product roadmaps, or marketing strategies. Ask it to help you prioritize the strongest options based on your goals and resources. For example, evaluate these 10 ideas and rank them based on profitability, scalability, and ease of execution. Keep iterating until you have a clear next step and move from brainstorming to building with confidence.